Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's been great out there. Guess what? It is the season for love. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Happy Valentine's Day to everybody out there. I hope everybody's gonna enjoy this Valentine's Day. Don't let anything hold you back, but still be safe out there. As you guys can see the title today, it is a Valentine's Day outfit idea that I put together. It's not all traditional red or pink outfit. There's some red, some other color, because I don't think Valentine's Day should be, stuck to two colors, red and pink. So if you want to see what other color and how this Valentine's Day styling go, why don't you stay tuned and keep on watching. Okay, y'all, this is the first outfit that I put together. Not your traditional red, pink, whatever that people like to wear on Valentine's Day. I really like this outfit. It's a nice yellow mustard outfit from Pretty Little Thing, and the little bodysuit under is from Fashion Nova. My shoe is from Fashion Nova, and my purse is just a Baglamishka purse. I think this is a cute, beautiful dinner outfit. It's a blazer dress from Pretty Little Thing. Like I said, the pocket is full and it's pretty short. This is a nice, simple, beautiful outfit to wear on your Valentine's Day. Y'all see how sexy this is? Even just this little open on the chest, nice little dainty necklace, and baby, oh baby, I think this is really cute. Nice, meet your man out and y'all go for a good dinner. Cute. Anyway, hey y'all, the next outfit that I put together is this nice, beautiful pinkish purple number. This is also from Fashion Nova. This dress is everything, guys. It has a rip right here and a couple of rip around the stomach area, also right over there, and some on the hip area right over there. You also the back. Oh my, your date is going to be ready this Valentine. He or she is ready for you to show up for dinner. Baby, what you think? You got the girl sitting upright, you got the body looking all nice, and you just smell amazing. You got dressed up, put on your clothes, your nice coat. You get there, take it off, and what is underneath that coat is what it wants, and know you're ready for them. All right, guys, nice, beautiful dress. Ooh, cute. Guys, another idea that I put together is this nice, beautiful leopard cheetah print dress. This is from JLuxe label, and I think this is one of the best ones so far. Really nice, really cute. Also have the deep V over here, and also have the wire to hold your titties up a little bit more. It conforms to your body, as you guys can see. Really cute. A nice, meaty, almost about mid calf for me. So I'm gonna call it like a meaty, maxi dress. Really cute, really nice. You're going out with your significant other, so you looking sexy is not a crime, okay? You looking really sexy is not a crime. Excuse my voice if it's a little bit dip. Your girl has, I don't know, cold, cough, whatever it is, there's mucus somewhere up there. But yeah, this is really, really cute, really nice. Y'all see, like I said, see this against my skin. Ooh, baby. Oh, baby. This is such a beautiful, beautiful dress for you guys to wear out for Valentine's Day. Okay, y'all, another styling, another outfit, another idea. Yeah, this is one of the traditional Valentine's Day color outfits. So I decided to, for those ones that like to wear, the traditional color, so I decided to put on a nice, beautiful pink blazer dress. This is from Shein. Really cute, really nice. It's a tweed material, And I think it's really cute, really nice. Got gold buttons over here. It is open on the chest, so I decided to put on like a bralette that have a little bit of, you know, sex appeal a little bit to it. It is sleeveless, so if you want to wear your jacket, your coat on top of this, and you are good to go. Let's add a nice little trench coat to it, and cute. I'm wearing it with my tights. This tight is from Fashion Nova. It does have studs and stuff on it. And my shoe is from Ego Shoe. Really cute, really nice, beautiful date night. You can wear this to date night. It doesn't always have to be Valentine's Day. You're gonna be looking really cute, really nice for your boo in this outfit. Like, Omawako mi J. Come and shop me. You cannot have enough. He won't or she won't be able to have enough of you in this dress. This is so cute and real nice. Very nice, very beautiful. This is what the back looks like. It's pretty short, so just be careful with this one over here. The next Valentine's Day outfit that I put together, it is this blue. Y'all see this? This is the best Valentine's Day outfit you could ever wear with your man. Do y'all see this? I have this in brown. Man, I just love, y'all see this on my complexion. Do you see this on my complexion? Okay. Woo, this is so cute, really nice. If you want, you could put a jacket on this before you go out, and then when you get there, just take the jacket off, and he gonna be like, he gonna wanna eat you rather at the dinner table, okay? But this is such a beautiful, beautiful outfit. The dress is from Fashion Nova. Pretty, pretty, pretty blue dress. It has all this, like, literally hose all over it. And it has this nice, beautiful V-neck right over here. A wire. It does have a wire right here that will hold you in. This is cute. And it will also hide a little bit of the fupa. Y'all see my fupa right here, okay? You're gonna hold a little bit of it. This is a small and it has a lot of give to it. So if you want, you could go down a size. This is such a beautiful, 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 sexy dress for a nice Valentine's Day dinner. So yeah, this is the next outfit that I put together. It's a nice leather pants, a nice crop top, and this blazer right here with a nice purse. I think this is a nice simple date for your Valentine's Day evening. Really cute, really nice. Say those evening that is a little bit cold, but not too cold. The shirt, it's crop. You guys saw this in my last video, I think. I'm not sure. This nice, beautiful crop top right over here with this leather pants. And then put this nice, beautiful blazer on top of shoulder. You don't put it on. You pop it on the shoulder. So that gives it a little bit of sexiness. And then my nice little black purse. And yeah, dinner is served, literally. Yeah, this is a nice simple for those that don't like dress, and I've showed you guys like 4 dresses. So I said, let me start something up with a pair of pants, then let's see how that goes. And I think it is giving what it was supposed to give. It is giving what it was supposed to have gave. I like this. It's simple, it's chic, it's beautiful. Okay, y'all, the last outfit that I put together, it's a red on red on red on red. I did say I wasn't going to do it, but for those people that like red for Valentine's Day, or red is your favorite color, that's why I decided to put a pop of red in this video. So yeah, it is this jumpsuit right over here, and this nice beautiful blazer, and my heels, and my purse. Looking really scrumptious, okay? Very cute, simple outfit you could put together, you could put on. This is what the blazer looks like. Looks like this. It has openings on the side right over here. I'm telling y'all, your mains, your woman gonna be loving you this Valentine's Day if you pop up in all this outfit that I put together. They look really chic, really cute, really classy. I think you're gonna be ready for Valentine's Day. Everything that I put on, if I can find it, like I told you guys, will be in the description box. So yeah, me like it, me love it. Alright guys, that brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have see some inspiration on how to style yourself for this Valentine's Day coming up. And if you need anything in this haul that I just did, why don't you go in the description box. I will link as much as I can in the description box so you guys can go ahead and click, shop, and happy shopping. Let me know how the styling goes also. Alright guys, until next time, remember to live your life like no one is watching, because God got your back. Until next time, mwah.